Islam for All presented how to boost your immunity with renowned nutritionist talked on to increase your immunity system. First of all, improve your digestion. Both constipation and diarrhea weakens the immune system of the body. 1. Start or enhance the use of yogurt to improve your digestion. 2. Use of garlic and ginger, lessen and adrak. Cooking diminishes their value. So it's suggested that it should be taken in raw form. Garlic is a species in the onion genus Allium. Its close relatives include the onion, shallot, leek, chive, and Chinese onion. It is native to Central Asia and northeastern Iran, and has long been a common seasoning worldwide, with a history of several thousand years of human consumption and use. 3. For garlic, cut into small pieces, leave it in the open air for a few minutes. 1 piece is enough for a day, and you can gulp it with water or can be added to yogurt. Should be used continuously for a month at least. 4. Ginger tea. Take a small ginger piece, equal to a spoon, and add it to 6 cups of water. Boil it to the point till it remains about 3 cups and drink it on daily basis. Ginger contains gingerol, a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger may reduce muscle pain and soreness. The anti-inflammatory effects can help with osteoarthritis. 5. Vit D and Vita, either supplemental or through food. Apricots, orangish in color, are the best sources. Also their seeds, 4 to 5, provide you invaluable nutrition. The second good source available these days are mangoes. The best sources of vitamin A are cod liver oil, eggs, fortified breakfast cereals, fortified skim milk, orange and yellow vegetables and fruits. Other sources of beta-carotene such as broccoli, spinach, and most dark green, leafy vegetables. Foods that provide vitamin D include fatty fish, like tuna, mackerel, and salmon. Foods fortified with vitamin D, like some dairy products, orange juice, soy milk, and cereals, beef liver, cheese and also egg yolks. 6. Take zinc, either supplemental or through food. Nuts such as cashews, pistachio, peanuts and seafood are some of the excellent sources. The best foods that are high zinc. Meat. Meat is an excellent source of zinc. Shellfish are healthy, low-calorie sources of zinc. Legumes like chickpeas, lentils and beans all contain substantial amounts of zinc. Seeds, nuts, dairy, eggs and whole grains. 7. Clove long has a great nutritional value and you can add it to your ginger tea. 2 pieces of cloves a day will keep your immune system up and about. Surprising health benefits of cloves. Contain important nutrients, high in antioxidants, may help protect against cancer, can kill bacteria, may improve liver health, may help regulate blood sugar, may promote bone health and may reduce stomach ulcers. 8. Olive leaves, zaytun ke pati, they can be used in day form or can be boiled and used as tea, has immense nutritional value. Olives are very high in vitamin E and other powerful antioxidants. Studies show that they are good for the heart and may protect against osteoporosis and cancer. The healthy fats in olives are extracted to produce olive oil, one of the key components of the incredibly healthy Mediterranean diet. Can reduces cardiovascular risk, like atherosclerosis. Lowers blood pressure. Helps treats type 2 diabetes, supports weight loss. Eliminates free radicals. Boosts immunity, fights herpes. Reduces inflammation. 9. Curcumin, haldi or curcumin, in milk is very effective in boosting immunity. In addition, it will help you lose body fat too. It can be used in milk as the fat in milk helps in its absorption. Proven health benefits of turmeric and curcumin. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. 10. Cinnamon, dar-chini, and mulathy at night is another booster for immunity. Evidence-based health benefits of cinnamon. High in a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon may cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. 11. Take a minimum 8 hours of sleep. Scientists agree that sleep is essential to health, and while stages 1 to 4 and REM sleep are all important, deep sleep is the most essential of all for feeling rested and staying healthy. The average healthy adult gets roughly 1 to 2 hours of deep sleep per 8 hours of nightly sleep. 12. Take whole wheat and exclude maida, fine flour, sugar, polished rice, hunter or processed beef such as sausages etc. They cause inflammation and weakens the immunity system. There are many different kinds, including whole wheat and whole corn, oats, brown rice, and quinoa, high in nutrients and fiber, lower your risk of heart disease. Lower your risk of stroke. Reduce your risk of obesity. Lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Support healthy digestion. Reduce chronic inflammation. 13. Last but not the least, exercise and avoid the use of phenol and mosquito repellents in your homes. Thanks to watching Islam for All channel. Like and subscribe the channel.